Hey everyone, we're down here at Kingsley Beverages. It's a brand new facility they've built in the UK. It's not far from our Peterborough facility. Now we provide them with a recycling service here, so we're collecting their preforms, their bottle scrap, LDPE film and cardboard. And you can just see James behind me over there. What we're down here today to do is we talk a lot about total engagement and total ownership from beverage manufacturers. Well, that's exactly what Kingsley are doing. So we're here making content about our recycling programs so that they can share it with their partners and, importantly, share it with their customers. Every day of the week, customers are making decisions about a product that they are going to buy in the supermarket, and those decisions are sometimes based on if they think a brand is sustainable or not. That's what Kingsley Beverages are doing here with us today. Video content about their sustainability. It's an important message, and taking total ownership is about delivering it.